Look at that. Right. I'm going to show you how I clean my cast iron surface. Actually, this is a carbon steel surface. Right after I'm done cooking, that's the best time to do it. We still have the heat on right now. So I'm just going to kind of scrape all the grease and bits into a pile in the center here. Then I take a paper towel and I'm going to push that up onto the spatula. Get that off of there. I've got a thing of water here. We're going to dump this on here, and then we're going to use this and the steam from the heat to clean this. It works amazingly well. Just move that steam around, scrubbing it with the towel as we go. And you'll see after just doing that once how clean it's getting. And we're scrubbing hard in the areas where the burgers were, covering the whole grill, and this disinfects and cleans everything. Look how clean that surface is. Really works well. Turn the heat off, then as this cools, I'll rub a thin layer of oil down on it. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.